So, good evening everyone. My name is Shubhajit Das. I am your speaker for today's event. It is wonderful to have you all in this workshop. So, let's start with the let's start the workshop. Okay. So, first we need to introduce Python. What is Python? This is the content of our today's session. Okay. Introduction to Python, Python and Python installation, basic first program in Python, introduction to data types, comparison and logical operators, looping constructs, and introduction to function, modules and packages, and one project that is creating random password generator. Introduction to Python. Python is a simple language in nature. Okay, it's easy to learn. It is free and open source, freely distributed, okay, and maintained by Python community. And it is a high level language. What is Python interpreted? You can run the program straight from the source code, Python program to bytecode, and a platform native language. Okay, you can just copy over your code and another into the another system, and it will automatically work with the Python platform. Object oriented programming, extensible, easily import to another code. Okay, and one more thing that we are knowing this, we are using the C Python. Okay, and there is a Jython which is known as uh, Java Python, which we called as J Jython. Okay, and today we will use the C Python. It is Python. Okay, and timeline. Python was convinced in late 1980s. Okay, the first director is Guido van Rossum. It is the history of Python. In January of 1994, Python 1.0 was released, and now it is Python 3.8.5. It is the latest version of Python. Okay. And then timeline in 2000, Python 2.0 was released. Introduced list comprehension similar to Haskell's. Introduced to garbage collection. In 2001, Python 2.2 was released. It includes the unification of types and classes into the hierarchy. Generators were added. In 2008, Python 3.0 was released. Okay, and as I said already, latest version is in Python is 3.8.5. Okay, and the whole course will be based on Python 3.0. And it is the Python types str, unicode, mystring, string. Don't worry about it, I will show you guys how to do it. Okay, uh, tuple, list, set, foreign set, frozen set. Okay, everything, directory, hash. Python semantics. Python uses dark typing or latent typing. It allows polymorphism without inheritance. Okay, it is very compatible. Okay, then it is the Python syntax. If name equals to this, I will describe all these things. Conditional conditions. Okay, I will describe these things, and then we'll come to loops and iterations, and then functions and exception handling. In today's class, we don't do the object oriented part like exception handling, classes, threading. We will just do the basic things we need to need to know. Okay, like I already said, Python. It is Java oriented Python and Iron Python. This is the .NET oriented Python, okay, which is written in C Sharp actually. And application is Python. For web development, we use Django, Flux, Bottle, Pyramid. Scientific and numeric for numeric and scientific use, we use SciPy, Pandas, NumPy, and then for desktop application, PyQuit, TV, PyGui. Okay, for business, Odo, Tyron, Python data types. integers, floating points, strings, list, dictionaries, tuples, and sets and booleans. All these things we will learn today. Okay, now I will show you how to install Python and how to install the Python. Okay, first I will show you how to check whether your machine has Python or not. Okay, you are saying this Python 3.8.3. My machine has the Python already installed. Okay, if you don't have the Python, then search for Python. From there, from this you can download the Python files. Okay, uh, put download portion. Here you can find Python latest version. Okay, and you can download it from here. And I always prefer PyCharm. You can click the professional version and the community version. In today's session, I am using the PyCharm professional version. Okay, but you guys can, it is paid actually, but you guys can have the community version, and you guys can access that. Okay, let's start with the programming part. And before starting the programming part, I will show you something like if you need something extension of some Python extension package, so then you need to do, you type, just type here, and go to this link. This link, it is the unofficial Windows binaries for Python extension packages. It is the most updated link. From this, you can find any kind of Python extension package. And there is one more time type, you from settings. From settings, here you can also find the Python external documentation. Okay, like you can see here a plus sign, you can download it from here. Okay, and now start with the normal programming part. Okay, first the basic part we need to learn for Python. So first we will do a simple normal hello world program. Okay, enter your name. I will enter my name. It will show the output hello world with this. Okay, it is the basic programming. Python in Java, in C, or in C sharp, you need to describe lot of things to print a hello world. Okay, but in Python you don't need to write so much things. You can just only read a simple print statement. Hello world, it will run hello world. Okay, then I already shown you the data types. Okay, with, the first data type is integer, the second is floating point, third is strings, fourth is list. Okay, Nihal, what a question. Input method is for taking input from user. Yes, input method is for taking input from the user. Okay, so now we will go with the data types. Okay, first data type is integer. So we know what. If you don't know what is integers, so let Aniket, is Python used for programming in Google Assistant? It is widely used for used as well to thanks the its simplicity and easily understanding for coding. Okay, they are using JavaScript, C++, Python, Java in Google Assistant. Okay, I am not audible. Network issue is in there. I am using my Wi-Fi and then my GeoFi too, but after that I'm not audible. Okay, wait. Now I will check the remainder. Okay, so that's why I am leaving the file. Remainder. I am checking the DBs, not the remainder. Okay, I'm dividing 111 with 20. I will show. I wanna see the dividend portion, so that's why it is 5. Okay, if you want to know machine learning well, then you need to learn Python in advanced level. Okay, because in machine learning 90% is there are only uses Python. Okay, that's why you need to know Python very well to learn machine learning. Okay, now I will go to the floating point. Okay, see the result, it is 41.25. Okay, here you don't need to uh, define int float, right? Like if you guys are using if you guys use C, there you need to define the things like float, like int. Okay, int a, int b, or float a, float b, or char a, char b. Here you don't need to write. Okay, this thing. Is there any book to learn code in Python? Yes, yes, yes. There is definitely has some books. Okay, I am preparing a study material for you guys. I will give you all of them. Okay, Python cookbook, notes on Python programming, machine learning with the Python cookbook. It is for advanced level. You need to I can tell you one thing. You guys please read this one after knowing Python very well. It is a deep learning book. Okay, it is the best book for machine learning and deep learning in Python. Okay, I will definitely give you guys this book, and if you guys want the PyCharm, if you guys want the softwares, I will provide the software too. I am using PyCharm origin professional version. Okay, if you guys want this version, I will give you this version too. Okay, and can you share this PPTs and codes, sir? uh, we will give you the session of whole session in recording. it will be uploaded soon in our WhatsApp YouTube channel. Then I will give you the link. Then you guys please see it from there. And when I will do the project name is creating random password generator. I will give you that code. Okay, I am not using actually I am not doing saving the files which I am writing now. Okay, so that's why I don't give you these ones. This is the very basic ones, but if you need these ones, these things I will provide you in. I will do a small video, and then I will give you. Can you give it through mail, sir? Okay, I can give it through mail. Please, I will give you a link of WhatsApp group. Those who need these things in via mail, please give his or her email IDs there by a list. Please list those email IDs. I will definitely share these things. Okay, with you guys. There is no problem with it. And now go with the third portion. Let's see here. I'm taking another thing. Okay, and print C. And now see what happened. Please don't write your emails here. I will not check it here. Okay. Please, I will give you the WhatsApp link. Please send your emails in there. Okay. Sir, sir, can you provide the WhatsApp group link in the Android development group? I will give you the WhatsApp group link. Wait for a few minutes. I will definitely give you. Okay. Okay. Then this is. I thought this is the floating point. Okay. Now I will go to strings. Okay. And I am giving the WhatsApp link in the chat box. Please join the WhatsApp group. Okay. And one more question is doing Shishendu message me privately. What double slash operator does in Python? It is like if you do double slash, like I'm showing. Wait. Suppose I am taking A as 100 and B as 10. Okay. Then int. These are the top results. Double slash D. Okay. You guys can easily see what it is doing. 10. It is it is dividing the things and show us the dividend. Okay. We already completed integers floating point. Now we will go to string portion. Okay. Like if you need to write in, if you want to run any kind of string programming, you need to do it in a double quotation, like hello world, I am Bojit. Okay, so I am just writing a. Okay, run it. It will show hello world, I am Bojit. Okay, it is very basic concept. Today I taught you guys very basic concept. Okay, because Python is a very vast thing. If you guys are really wanted it, I couldn't access the link. Okay, Gaurav, I will give you the Android development group and ethical hacking. Sir, can you give the link in the Android development group or ethical hacking? Okay, 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 I will give the link in Android development or ethical hacking group. Okay, don't worry. I will give it to you guys. Okay, it is string data type. Okay, next, in string there is a four part. Okay, write down the four parts. One is string data type. The another one is string indexing. The third part is string slicing. Fourth part is string methods. Okay. I already showed you the first part. Okay, there is four parts. Okay, now I will show you the second part, string indexing. Okay, it is string indexing. Okay, मतलब here is 10 element. Okay, uh, I need I just want to know the first element. So I declared a equals to hello world and print a. The first element is 0, so it's printing a. Okay, it is perfectly all working all right. And if we write -1, it will give us the value of the last element. Okay, it is D. Okay, set the link is invalid. Okay, wait, I'm trying to give you guys the link which is provided in the chat group. It is invalid. Is it invalid? Okay, try to. I will give you in some few minutes. Okay, wait. Let me continue. Let me continue first. Okay, I will give you guys in few minutes. Share the link of the session. It's just my opinion. Yes, yes. I will share the link in after the session. Okay. And now I'm going to string slicing. Okay. Now I print B. It will be done. It will run HLOWRT. Okay, HLOHLO. Two. I am giving the is to two. So that's why it is doing. It is taking the first alphabet, then the it is giving a gap, then the third alphabet, then the fifth alphabet, and then the first alphabet, third alphabet, and then the last alphabet. Okay. I just cleared schooling. So should I start learning coding on Python from now or during college? You should learn C, first. Okay, you please learn the C first, then you will learn. I will suggest you to learn the Python. First you have to learn C. It is a, C is very basic thing. If you don't learn C, then Python will be much difficult for you. Okay, and now I'm going to the fourth part, which is string methods. I will go to the fourth part, but before that I am doing few more things. If I do these things like for -1, it will be reverse the order. It will show you the thing in reverse order. You guys can check D L R O W then O double L E H. Okay, it is just reversing the whole thing. And now I'm I'll show you some more things like if I write the whole thing is equals to single quotation. Okay. Okay. Then the screen and is is the thing which I already declared. It will show my name twice. Okay. Shubhajit. Okay. This method is called the print formatting. Okay. This method is called this method is named as print formatting. I will show you many more things like suppose I am writing here. Okay. Then I am doing this sort of work. Giving 1, then have 0. I'm taking format, what there, boy, and then I will here good. Okay, now check. I'm running it. Check what is happening. I'm doing nothing. Okay, I just print my name, Shubhajit. Then I am declaring this one portion is 0 portion. Okay, I declared good in 0 and then boy in the one portion, and then the output will come like this, Shubhajit good boy. Okay, it is very easy. Okay, I hope you guys have understood the things. Okay, do you guys have any questions? Please ask me in the chat box. Okay, now I will go to the lists. Okay, list. What is list? List is like array, which we already done in C++, Java. Okay, but in Python, it's named as list. Okay, suppose I am taking this array 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and I'm printing. Want to print this array. Print A, and then I'm run. I want to run it. I will check what is here is the output. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and it has in this thing you can declare anything like 1 comma 2. I can write 2.05. Okay, so I can give floating point or any character like I am in here. There will be no issue with it. Just here is you guys can see here is a red symbol. I already said if you need to implement any if you need to implement a string in a quotation. Okay, so that's why I didn't do the quotation. That's why it's showing the error. You guys can see the output. It comes 1, 2.05, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then shows it. Okay. And if you guys need to do something extra, like you guys can, I don't want to print my name. Okay. It is in the 7th position. Okay. Then I will print. I will declare it 7 and then run it. It will show me my name only. Oh no, it is showing 8. Okay. 8 in the 7th position. Okay. So, 6. Oh, okay. In array, it is always start from 0. It has value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, digit 8, 9, 10. It has 10 values, but actually it's taking in the computer as 0, 1, 2. It is this one is as 0, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's why in 6th position my name uh, my name in the output. Okay, it is in the output. And in list there are two methods. Okay, like I am showing the print method is the length method. Okay, I need to know the length of the array. Okay, then I just write len and the array I declare and just need to run it. Okay, it is showing that the 10 because 0 to 9 that has 10 elements, so that's why it is showing 10. Okay. Yeah, very common thing. Then after list there is tuples. Okay, so I will show tuples then. So just you don't need to do many things, just do very basic normal things like just write a tuple equals to in bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and just then just print. Okay, you guys saying this output is 5. Tuples and list are same. Okay, in list you can change the value. In tuple it is fixed, you can't change it. Okay, so that's why we sometimes we use list, sometimes we use tuples. It it don't have any difference rather than that. Okay, it just has this kind of difference. Now Next thing is dictionaries. So I will suppose dict was to given valuable, okay, comma, value, and then after three value, okay, just the normal things. Not okay. I'm just in single quotation. I am defining C1 to print it. So let's run it and check what happens. Okay, it will be one need to be 31, and there I already make a mistake like that. It will print the value. Okay, it will print the value up to like here in dictionary. I already declared the three types: key one, key two, key three, and then I am print date key two. Okay, and it is a value up to. Okay, it's printing the value up to. It's very easy. Do you guys have any problem or any query with it? Please ask me. If you guys don't ask me, how can I know if you guys have any problem with it or not? Okay. Okay. To this value 3. Now I want to print it. The first one, print the dict Q1. Okay. It will return the value of 1. Okay. It's a very nominal thing. Like if you guys want this, like I'm showing you few more things. Okay, it is 10. Okay, suppose it is 10, and then I am going to take items. It will show all of my items. Okay. Then see dict items key 1, 10, key 2, value 2, key 3 values. Okay. Okay. Now the next topic, which is sets. Okay. What is set? I will show you guys that one. Okay. What set? Set equals to set dot add one. I don't wanna write these things. That's okay. So set you if you do suppose if you get giving same value in two sets, okay, and I write print set, okay. If I run it, it will give me only two values, 1 and 2, okay. You can guys see they only giving me the two values, 1 and 2, okay. If I give here 3, then it will give me the 3 value. It didn't repeat the same values, okay. Now you guys can see that the three values is written in 1, 2 and 3, okay. It's the concept of set didn't appear didn't give me the same values, okay. If I do the one, okay, then it will only return one for once, not twice, okay. Only one time it will give me the value of one, okay, not the two times. It is it's for now the last portion is boolean, okay. What is boolean? In boolean you need to write true or false in the capital letter, okay. Think right, okay. It's just a basic concept, okay. I always I am start telling you guys from the beginning of the session. Today I am just showing you guys that is only the basic concept, okay. What is it showing in the output? Class bool, okay. It is showing the bool value, okay. So now if you just maybe declare something like I am declaring 10 greater than and then print the a, okay. It will return true, okay. And by interchange it will be give us the value false, okay. But I didn't write the false portion here, okay. It's already predefined, it's already uh, predefined and it already they are thinking that it will be false, okay. You don't need to write all those things. You guys write like this: print 1 equals to 2, then print 10 to return 3, then print and then say what's the sign of modulus. Okay, modulus equals to 10. Let's see what it will give us. You can see it gives us the 4 value. 1 equals to 2 false, then 10 is greater than 3, obviously it is, that's why true, then 10 that's why false, and then 5 modulus equals 10. It is a true solution, so that's why no, you don't need to define bool. Okay, it will the computer in Python ID it can it can they can on they can take it as a bool. Okay, you don't need to do that. Suppose I am taking something you think it like 5 equals to 5, it will return true value. Okay, you can check. Yep, it will return true. It is checking 5 equals to 5, it is true statement, so that's why it is giving us the true. Okay, you guys can write these things like this. You don't need to define bool. Okay, computer already if you give these sorts of expression, the computer will define it as a bool. 2 less than 3. Okay, and then give and operator. Okay, I'm using and operator. Okay, 5. Okay, then I'm thinking paint 2 less than 3 or 3 less than 5. Okay, now so you guys can see both are true, and if you do the not operator as well as in same process print not B and C. Right. Okay, and then run it. It will also be a true value. Um, what happened? Okay. I didn't define the B and C. Okay. Now, right. One more thing.